What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So market has been really slow throughout whole week, so we haven't got many opportunity to take some trades. But hey, we had a good push up, as I mentioned yesterday, from this bullish engulfer. And from this bullish engulfer, especially from there, where I've mentioned that if that closes the bullish engulfer, we'll have a general entry. If you have seen my yesterday's video, then we'll have a likely push up from here, and you can enter using a discretion, and that is what hit your targets. So as you can see, the candle has gone down. Right here, the very next candle is coming back up and forming a bullish engulfing pattern. If that turns out to be bullish engulfing pattern, in that case, that will be a general buy signal. Again, that is not one of my strategy, the way I teach my students, but using some discretion, the way some technical traders trade, they use trend lines for an entry. Awesome. So as I've seen yesterday, we have mentioned and taken this trade. I have not taken it personally because I use different strategy, but for the YouTube audience and my general bias was bullish. And if you like to trade from the trend lines like this, it is also a condition where you use discretionary approach to enter your trade, and that played out nicely. Now we are above 50 EMA and 20 EMA. We got a bullish cross as well, faster moving average cross, slow moving average. With that, we have a bearish inventory report, but that didn't affect the price much. But we had this news candle that just pushed down. We are above 50 EMA. We have this nice bullish candle here above 50 EMA with a cross as well. That shows a good bullish pressure, and I'm still expecting a good spike from here. Looking at this good bullish engulfing pattern, that could be my valid pullback entry, but just with a little point, I'm not just taking it as a trade. So for now, we have a good bullish candle right here above 50 EMA with a bullish cross, and we are rejecting from 50 EMA as well. Looking at that, we can see another spike from natural gas, and I'm still expecting a price to get to these highs, but not just straight away. Expect a push up like this, expect some pullbacks like this, and then if you have one more pullback with the bullish engulfer and price retest this previous highs, with that we have a bullish engulfer, that will become a strong buy signal. And we're going to go along using the pullback strategy, the one I teach you in my YouTube videos. And to my students, look for your 6 rules to enter your trades. So buy trades now, not selling as long as we have good momentum above 50 EMA. We are only buying natural gas. Sell trades will only happen once we are completely broken below these lows with a solid momentum. Here on Capital.com, we are above 50 EMA, strong Marubozu candle, which is right here without a wick. That shows a good bullish pressure as well. A news candle here, but that did not close below 20 and 50 EMA yet. So for now, I'm still looking at the price to push up at least to these recent highs, from where we can see another pullback, and then I want to see a break above these highs for the price to get to the next level of resistance, a trend resistance which is right up there, and possibly a major resistance which is right up there, which I'm looking at in a long term. For now, we can see a possible push up again if we have a retest of this trend line again, or this previous lows with a bullish candle. That is also one of the buy signal, and price will likely to push up from here. So not selling as long as we are above these lows and not broken below these lows with a good and solid momentum. So expect a push up, looking at this nice bullish candles. And if you look at on a daily time frame, a nice bullish candle happened where? Happened at the trend line. If you look here, Owanda, that is what? A valid bullish swing low bullish candle. Now that is also one of my valid pullback entry here on a daily time frame, not on 4 hour, but on daily. That is a valid pullback entry. In that case, I'll keep my stop loss below these candles. You can go 180 or below and 180 or above to take your profits, and then you can manage your trades till the recent high. But I'm expecting 180 at least to push up from here, and that is 277 points ATR, which is high at this point. So keep an eye, buy signal on a daily time frame, and looking at that, we can see a possible push up from here on NEMEX as well. If you look here on daily, we have what? We have a bullish candle, not an engulfing candle because we have a gap up opening, but a bullish pressure rejected from 20 EMA. If you have seen my last few videos, I've clearly mentioned that we can reject from 20 EMA, and we have been rejecting from 20 EMA multiple times, as you can see right here, and one more rejection right here shows a good and strong bullish pressure. Looking at that, we can see a possible push up from here as well. So still bullish, as you can see, bullish signals here on nat gas on a daily time frame and on 4 hour time frame, as well as strong bullish candles is forming here on natural gas. Expect some pullbacks. Looking at this bearish inventory report, some retailer want to sell it, and that is causing this red candle. Next up, we have gold. Now, Donald Trump is going to speak speaking now at this point when I'm recording this video, right at 1600 at UK time. So let's see how it goes, how it says. If he says something that strengthens the dollar, then of course a gold will push down from here. Let's see what it says. By the time I record this video, we'll find out. Now at this point, if you look here, if that turns out to be a valid, let's say, okay, that's not a valid bullish engulfer on this platform, but look at your own platform, which that's a valid bullish engulfer, must engulfs the body, right, something here. As you can see, the body is above, so I want to see a complete bullish engulfer. Must engulf the previous body as well. If that happens on your platform, then that is a buy signal, and we can go 180 of the target. Aggressive entry has been triggered at 50%. If you are an aggressive trader, then you can go 180, or you can manage your trades to this recent highs. Then if you want to further manage your trades, then it is an area till where I'm expecting a price to get to technically. But fundamentals, if anything happens in fundamentals, then price can push down as well. So make sure you have your stop loss there, and let's see how this goes. A technical signal here, but if that turns out to be bullish engulfer on your platform on 4 hour, then we have a buy signal here. Otherwise, aggressive entry has been triggered. Next up, we have silver. Silver has pushed down. As mentioned yesterday, that we have a strong bearish signals, and we had a evening star, of course, double top, of course, no bullish candle, of course, so no buy signal means no conditions, means no entries. Now we have broken below 50 EMA at this point with a good momentum. Now, so price is pushed up, forming a double top pattern right here at the minor support, which is minor resistance, which is right here, forming a double top pattern. Looking at that, we have a morning, we have an evening star pattern, we have a swing high bearish engulfer, we had a double top, shows a good bearish pressure, a divergence in the RSI, so I'm expecting some more pullback, could be to 50 EMA, and if rejected at 50 EMA, followed by bullish engulfer, only then I'm gonna go long. If there is no engulfer, no bullish condition, then we can likely to push down and keep on pushing down from here. But gold and silver has gone against each other, so let's see which pushes the other higher or lower. So if the price, let's say, turned out to be a bullish engulfer and the price pushes up from here, then it might push the silver higher as well. But for your entries, the technical entries will happen if we have a pullback below 50 EMA, bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, then I'm going to go short. So I'm not buying silver anymore, but just selling silver with a bearish engulfing pattern. A valid bearish signal, if you have that 6 rules you look for my students, if you have that 6 rules completed below 50 EMA, we're going to go short. So that is all I'll be looking at here on silver, just bearish trades with a valid pullback entry. Next up, we have crude oil. We had a little fake out here on crude oil, but we are still trading below 50 EMA, means we are still bearish for crude oil. If that turns out to be bearish engulfer, we have crude oil inventory report coming up as well. That can push the price up a higher or lower. Let's see how it releases. But valid bearish engulfer will be a valid pullback entry bearish. So let's see how this closes. If that turns out to be bearish engulfer, we're going to go short using 180 for the target, or you can keep your stop loss above the EMS and take profit. You can go 1-to-1 initially, then manage your trade accordingly. So that is all I'll be looking at. Not buying crude oil as long as we are below 50 EMA. Bearish pressure here and bearish candle will confirm the entries. Only buying once we are broken and close above 50 EMA. So that is it for today's analysis. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.